on the umpire.
I'm gonna lick them damn parrots out. Ain't shit cute about that.
Just gorgeous birds.
I'm gonna lick them out.
Their presence felt, and the game has become a total sideshow to everyone watching these birds in flight.
Somebody did this. Some white folks did this.
One just landed on the umpires, the home plate umpire, Chad Steers. Is this part of the show?
It looked like it.
What is happening right now?
We don't even have the money to buy them damn birds.
So this is a game between Bradley and Gardner Webb playing in Florida.
Wow.
And interrupted by these parrots. Apparently they were pets that got loose.
I've never seen wild parrots.
And someone saw this video and was like, oh, those are my birds.
My friend had a parrot. And he called me a black bitch. The parrot did. Black bitch. Black bitch. Black bitch. My boyfriend went to work. I put that goddamn cover that cage up. And when my boyfriend came home, I uncovered. I didn't even tell him. I covered his ass up all day. I fed him, gave his water to him, and that was a wrap. Calling me a black bitch. Black bitch. Black bitch. Black bitch.
Every animal learns things.
That parrot cussed me out.